Charlotte Tilbury is doing her mystery boxes again, and I'm so excited because this time I actually got one. So here's what it looks like. I also picked up a few other things that I've been needing, which is why I was even there in the first place. I had a goal of what I wanted, and then the mystery boxes were there, and you know, I really felt like it was my time to get a mystery box. I actually order all my Charlotte Tilbury stuff off the app, and because I'm a silver member at the moment, I get free shipping, so I don't have to spend a minimum, which does come in handy, to be honest. And oh my gosh, I just love the Charlotte Tilbury app because she does gifts with purchase, which I love. I freaking love a gift with purchase if it's a brand that I love, obviously, because it's like, oh, I just love having everything from a brand or trying their products if I really like a brand. And I've really grown to love Charlotte Tilbury. You guys may or may not know, but that hasn't always been the case. Let me just get into this thing. Oh, so exciting. I'm so excited. Oh, it's fighting back, girls. And you may notice this super cute bag, because you can choose to get a bag and it's free. And so I got this one, and this is the one with the stars on it. And is there Aries on there? I can't see Aries on there, but look, I didn't have to get a bag. What am I going to use a bag for? But honestly, I'm thinking of putting this in a frame. I know that's crazy work, but so here's my box. I love that they put it in a box. They don't have to put it in a box, but I suppose it's the mystery box. It's the allure of the mystery box. So they're still doing the mystery boxes as I speak. So there's 4 of them to choose from. And the first one is in Blushing Beauty, Glowing Goddess, Sunset Siren, and Beach Babe. I think I got the Beach Babe one. So very cool. And I could tell by the pictures as to what the product is. So I'm gonna tell you right now what I think. So the first, I think, is a cream blush and like a reddy shade to mimic like a little bit of a sun-kissed look. The next one, I reckon it's one of those eye pots, cream eye pots. And the lip product they have in there is one, I know it's one of their actual lip balms, and I think it's in like a pinky peachy color, I don't know. And then the last thing is their mascara, and I think it's the one in the gold bottle. Now I don't like the Pillow Talk mascara. I found that ran a little bit. I had a look through, and I had such a deep dive before I purchased this because I really was trying to consider of what I would actually like, and I paid $100 for these 4 products that I'm going to show you. So I honestly felt that they were very good value. It does say over 50% off, and where else can you get Charlotte Tilbury for that price? But yeah, I just want to say before we start that of course when you're buying a mystery box there is the fun of it, so you are paying for the fun of it, I suppose, but you know, it is worth considering what are the type of products that you actually enjoy and what will you actually get use out of. Oh, that's right, and I also got 2 gifts this time. So with minimum purchases they have gifts at the moment. I don't know what it is, I can't even remember. I think at the moment there's a makeup bag, a lip balm, maybe a mascara. So that's their free gifts at the moment. And I love the Charlotte Tilbury app for the free gifts, as you know. And also as a member, when you have the app, you also get additional free gifts. So every single time you buy, you've got to get a free gift or more than one. So this was the first free gift that I got, and this is the minimum spend one. And it is their Unreal Lips Healthy Glow Nectar Oil. And I thought I was going to like this, but then I had a look online at some pictures, and it's more of a thicker lip balmy oil, not like the old oil that I didn't love. I of course have Charlotte Tilbury lip liners. So what one's this one? This is Icon Baby. And I honestly think I got this as my free gift last time. Ah! Oh, yummy. What is this called actually? Peach. Pure peach. Bro, that tastes delicious. I'm not a peachy girl, so at first I was very much worried about this. I was like, oh, it's a good free gift, but I won't use it, but that's what it looks like. I love it. It's definitely more of a balm texture with the oil shine, which I think is such a great combination. Obviously lip balms are so popular at the moment. Now my next free gift, I can see it looking at me, and this is my free gift that I got because I'm signed up, and it's actually the Charlotte Tilbury Exaggerite mascara. Now I'm already run out of my mascara, so I thought this is perfect timing. I'm excited to try this because I did not like the Pillow Talk mascara. And this is so luxe. I actually think it's a glass bottle. Like, I love that kind of thing. I do love this kind of luxe packaging. On to this, oh, what's this? Oh, anyway, I will address that uno momento. So the first product is a blush, and it's the Island Glow Lip and Cheek Blush Tint. And this is in the shade Paradise Pink Glow. This surprises me. This surprises me, Charlotte Tilbury. I thought it was gonna be like the red one. This color is so cute, but I'm genuinely surprised. I would have thought that she was gonna do like the red color. I'm just gonna use my favorite Morphe brush, you guys already know. And look at that. That is fun. I love that color. I don't have anything like this, and I'm kind of gagged, and I'll tell you why at the end. But I'm gagged. I don't have anything this hot of a pink anymore. I always try to have a hot pink because it just looks so fun on the cheek. So this is great. This is something I don't have. And oh my God. She said tint, and for some reason I was thinking it was going to be like very balm, like the Naked Sundays balmy blushes. Next up, I don't know if I've had this before, but this is the Charlotte Tilbury Amber Gold, and this is their cream eyeshadow. What I will say is this feels so nice to swatch. It's so creamy. I've had one of these before, but it was gifted, and so therefore it was so dried out. So anyway, let's put some of that on. I've just had like powder eyeshadows on today, so it's all worn off. But these are very pretty. This is definitely not as glittery as the other one that I've tried from Charlotte. Very minimal glitter, but if I went out, can you see the glitter? Seriously, my lighting in here leaves a lot to be desired. Next up, of course, is the Legendary Lashes Volume 2. Oh, this is their Instant Volume and Length Miracle Mascara. This is crazy because which mascara am I going to try first? I have not seen anything about this. I'm actually like, should I try this one first? Guys, I think I will. I'm gonna put this one away because I have a little area with mascaras because I've got like travel ones, and I'm gonna try this. So let me just open it up. I kind of want to have a look at the wand. I really haven't heard anything about this product. Oh, it's like a nice bushy wand. I can't honestly put any on right now because I've got some mascara on already and it won't look the treat, but I'm excited to try that. And so far, you guys, have you even noticed that I've gotten everything right so far? Now, last, of course, is the Hyaluronic Happy Kiss Color Balm, and this is in Crystal Happy Kiss, which is kind of exciting because I thought she was going to give us a pink one. I'm kind of loving it. So it's crystal, so is this meant to be more of a clear color? But what I'm really loving is just by the tone of it, it will suit the blush really well. Do I look like I have anything? Oh, thank God. Oh. I was genuinely worried I didn't have any tissues or anything, but I do. This is Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. This will suit this lip balm a lot better because it's pink. It comes up like the MAC Squirts lip oils. Oh God. So you can't do it up too much at once, people. It tastes nice. I know it's not about the taste. Interesting formula. Like, it's so glossy and like shiny looking for a lip balm. That is the mystery box. So guys, did you enjoy that? Were you mystified? I don't know. But I'm really excited because, as I said, I had a look at the products first, so I understood what I would be getting, and that's why I went for that one as opposed to another one, because I really don't want another blush wand because I just have so many of these like floating around and I don't need a full-size blush wand. So now, before I was a bit like surprised because they also popped in a little free sample of the, so cute, it's in this little travel size, and I'm kind of wondering I might keep it in the box because that would be perfect for travel because this is my favorite moisturizer and I am going away twice next month. So I will definitely be using it. This is 7 mils. That's such a generous free gift because the 30 mils is like $100. So that's like a $30 gift in a sense. But I'm just happy because I really love that product. So it's worked out well for me. Now the last thing is a set, and this is the Immediate Skin Secret. Oh, hang on. Charlotte's Immediate Skin Revival Secrets. That's cute. It has the 30 ml cream. I honestly couldn't believe the price. This was $117. But I was like in shock because it's got the full size cream, then it's got the full size eye cream, and then it's got one of the little serums. I didn't really feel any certain way about this serum when I tried it last time, to be honest. I just bought it because it was in the deal with the other stuff I like. I'll just give it another go because it's just a little tiny little size. So cute, love it. So I might just give that more of like a go. And got to have somewhere to put my rubbish. And then of course I have my magic cream. This stuff is the best. Do you guys like this as well? I'm such a fan, like such a turnaround. I don't know if it's just like my age bracket where I'm like, oh, hydration. Anyway, love it. So I'm just gonna put it in my drawer here. So as soon as I run out, I have a fresh one. Now bear in mind, these are the older sets, so this is the older formula, and I would love to try the new formula because it's got peptides in it and it's like a super boosted recipe, so to speak. Anyway, it's a new recipe that they've got going on with this. But at the end of the day, I saw a deal and I like the original formula, so I got no problem buying the original formula again. Obviously they've got these deals on because maybe they're trying to run out the old product. And that's fine by me because I'll be happy. So I will be looking forward to trying the new formula in future, but it's not a huge thing. And then I went back and forth about this. Oh my gosh, Charlotte packs it in, honey. This is the Charlotte Tilbury eye cream. This is enormous. This is only 15 ml, but these are freaking, this is an enormous like container. I thought it was going to be a little bit smaller like the Bobbi Brown size, but anyway, this is not good for travel. And you can tell I've already got the Bobbi Brown one, but I decided to go with this because I can use it at nighttime as well. It has time-released retinol, which means that you can wear it during the day, which I thought was really cool. I had no idea about that. I did some research into it before I purchased it because I thought retinol during the daytime was a big no-no. So I might as well crack it open because I'm going to wear it tonight. I've just been looking forward to trying it. At first I was a bit like, oh, whatever, like, who cares? But, oh, let me just, I don't know. Oh, it's quite balmy, so I can see how it would go really nice under the eyes. Oh, I've got pins and needles again. I shouldn't sit on my foot. Terrifying. Anyway, I'm so excited. And you guys wouldn't believe it if I told you, but I actually just bought more from Charlotte Tilbury. So, yeah. Anyway, so I saw an ad on Facebook and there was like the 2-for-1 offers that she was doing, and I saw she was doing it on the blushes and I was like, I would like to try those blushes. So I went and had a look, and the price, stunning. You get 2 blushes for $65. That's a deal. And I also saw that she had the corrector, the cream corrector, which I've always wanted to try from Charlotte Tilbury, but I have other correctors, so I kind of put it off. I don't have any cream ones at the moment. I used to love the MAC one, but that comes in quite a big palette, so it's a big commitment. So I got the light one, or fair and medium. Oh, sorry guys, I have pins and needles so bad. So I got the fair and the medium, and then I got the blushes. I looked into the blushes and I got 2 shades, I think Love is a Drug and First Love or something, and they look so nice and neutral and not like anything I have in my collection at the moment. And it reminded me of the Kelly Osbourne product mineralized skin finish that I had that was over 10 years ago. Shout out to anyone who was watching my videos 10 years ago, but it reminded me of that product, and so I decided to buy the more beigey neutral tones. So I'm really excited for those to show up because I don't have anything like them, seeing as I did use up that Kelly Osbourne one. And so exciting. And did I get another free gift? No, but I had a little voucher for $30 off my next order. So Literally, so I got essentially almost 30% off that order plus free shipping because I'm on the silver tier at the moment. So I just couldn't recommend the app enough. If you like Charlotte Tilbury products, or if you want to try, like, a mystery box is a good way to try the products without like over investing, but of course you got to do it based on your needs and the kind of products that you like. I'm just really happy that it was products that I liked, and I did a little bit of research into that. So I've got another order on the way. So at this stage, I could be doing an order a week with Charlotte Tilbury. I won't be, but I'm just saying, like, I'm just addicted to her specials and her products. They're so luxe, and I have a lot of them. I was actually thinking of doing a video on a full face of Charlotte Tilbury because I actually think I have enough. The only thing I don't have is eyebrows, and I would love to try her eyebrow gel. I should have just bought it with the order that I just put in. So that was a mistake. I should have done that because I actually am running out of brow gel, something chronic. So, and I always need brow gel because I wear it every single day. Anyway, speaking of, if you did want to buy off the Charlotte Tilbury app, I think it's the app, you download the app, or online, I do have a link below that you can use, and I think it gives you $30 off your first order if you spend over 150 or 150, whatever. And the good thing about that is that works out to about 20% off, but you can apply it to orders with specials. So for example, like the magic cream and the eye cream, the set that I got, that was actually on special for 117, maybe down from 150 or so. And same with the mystery boxes. So I got that for 100. So you can still apply those vouchers even if you're getting a deal, which is why I love it, because the deals just stack, and then you have all of these beautiful makeup items. And I feel like any of these makeup items, anybody would be able to use them, any age, any skin tone, maybe. That's my haul for now. Thank you for watching. I hope that you loved it all, and let me know if you're going to get a mystery box as well. And I can't wait till the next ones because I'm going to be buying them every year now. It's pretty much decided.